आज का जो हमारा डेजर्ट है उसका नाम है चॉकलेट बोर्ड, जो एक फ्लेवर्ड चॉकलेट है जिसे हम स्प्रेड करेंगे। उसके ऊपर जाएंगी अलग अलग गुडीज और उसे हम एक बिस्किट के साथ स्क्रैप करके खाएंगे। बहुत ही टेस्टी, बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट। लेकिन कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट है। ट्विस्ट ये कि मैं कुकिंग नहीं करने वाला, कुकिंग करेंगी मेरी आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट। एक ऐसी गेस्ट जो है एक बेहतरीन बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस, अ लविंग मॉम, वाइफ एंड एन अमेजिंग डॉटर इन लॉ। Please welcome Sameera Reddy to my kitchen.
Thank you for having me, and I always wanted to say yes, chef. And I'm here to see your magic.
Brilliant. I'm glad that you said my magic. तो basically हम normally क्या करते हैं? We have somebody we cook together.
Okay.
But because Sameera Reddy is coming to my kitchen, so it had to be something special.
Okay.
Which I don't cook, she cooks.
Oh no! Listen, there is a reason why there is messy mama and sassy sasu. Okay, it's because she cooks, I eat. Sassy sasu told you not to do this.
No.
नहीं पक्का you're allowed up to something.
Look, I'm a Punjabi and somewhere inside my head एक पंजाबी झाई बैठी हुई है who knows how to throw googlies at good
Okay,
bowls.
चलो let's try.
Yeah. So आज का ना premise मैं आपको और आपको समझाता हूँ। देखिए, बड़ा सिंपल है। Blindfold, कुर्सी कहाँ है?
I'm blindfolding.
मैं आराम करूंगा और आप कुक करेंगी और मैं आपको सिर्फ डायरेक्ट करूंगा एंड दैट्स नॉट इट, देयर इज अनदर लेयर। आधा घंटा है, आधे घंटे के अंदर आपको ये डेजर्ट तैयार करना है जिसका नाम है चॉकलेट बोर्ड। और इसकी जो गार्निश है, इसका टेस्ट है, इसका हाव भाव है, सब कुछ हैज टू बी शेफ लाइक, और आई शुड से शेफ समीरा लाइक। ऑलराइट समीरा जी, टाइम कितना हो रहा है?
It's about 1:35.
1:35. So मतलब
2:05.
2:05. 2:05 पे आपका समय खत्म हो जाएगा। उससे पहले आपको ये करना है।
For me to sound like Amitabh Bachchan, but okay, yeah.
Oh yeah, actually.
आपका टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा।
So सबसे पहले हमें एक डबल बॉयलर सेटअप करना है। Just quickly do it.
Double boiler. That's the this and the that, right?
What is this? I don't know.
It's a pan, and you put a bowl in the pan. You put the chocolate. So where's your?
No. Where do you put the chocolate? Pan में डालनी chocolate?
No, in the bowl, right?
Bowl में.
हाँ.
और pan में क्या होगा?
पानी.
Brilliant. तुम तो already half chef हो यार. So turn on the gas.
But not this one, right? Don't you need a deep pan?
What pan have you picked up? Sauce pan चाहिए हमें. 2 minutes are gone.
Okay, wait a minute. Here we go. Water.
Water has to be on the.
This is not my kitchen. Okay, here.
समीरा, पानी पक्का एक जग में हुआ, ग्लास का जग।
Okay, no. Here, it's got this.
Okay.
Can I put the glass on this?
The glass bowl, you mean?
Yeah.
हाँ, डालो।
I'm putting the chocolate pieces in there, right?
Which one? So hang on. There's
Now
a
I'm
ratio.
stressed out. I'm like full speed here.
So there is a ratio. 3:2:1. 3 हिस्से डार्क चॉकलेट, 2 हिस्से मिल्क चॉकलेट और 1 हिस्सा व्हाइट चॉकलेट।
Okay. 3 dark chocolate. What did you say? 2 milk.
2 milk
हाँ.
and 1 white.
Okay.
3:2:1.
Okay.
Add cream to chocolate. 1/3 cup cream.
1/3 cup cream.
Yeah.
Is this the cream? This looks like buttermilk. Look, okay, please tell me this looks like buttermilk or cream.
I can't see.
You're confusing me, okay?
मेरी आंखें में नेत्र
Cream ना? Okay. How much did you say?
1/3 कप। अगर कैमरा मेरे पे तो आई एम गिविंग दैट किड्स मैन। द विलेन बॉलीवुड की हीरोइन को उठा।
But where is the measuring cup?
Just check. It has to be somewhere in one of the drawers. Second from the top. उसमें नहीं है तो फिर नहीं है हमारे पास।
Okay, hold on. I'm just going to put it. Andaz.
Okay, अंदाज।
Yeah,
Cream
okay.
में डालिए, दही दूध तो नहीं डाल दिया।
I don't know. This looks like milk. This does not look like cream, but
It
you.
has to be cream. You
Yeah.
have to taste it. You can't put milk. Take a spoon, dip it. अगर वो
That's milk. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now it's happened. It's already. Are we tempering it?
No, we're not tempering it. इसको सिर्फ मेल्ट करना है।
It's melted.
सबसे पहले आप जल्दी फटाफट चॉपिंग बोर्ड लीजिए। तैयार है? आप रामफल उठाइए और उसे बारीक काटिए।
Rampal. What is that? Don't lagao, huh? Just because I'm not that super with my Hindi food words.
Okay. I get it.
Oh, this is not bad. Check this out. It's happening. It looks very chef-like. I mean, I swear to God.
What are you cutting?
I'm going to get my own cooking show after this, okay? Chef, you watch it now, you see. They're going to say, Sameera Reddy can cook better than Chef Kunal.
Is it melted completely?
It's the best chocolate that you've seen on the show ever. Look at that. अभी now बोलो.
I got the chocolate.
They're wasting time.
अच्छा sorry, अच्छा pick a persimmons then. Cut 3 slices equal thickness की.
Equal thickness, हाँ?
जी. और कितना टाइम हो गया? What are you breaking?
Okay, seriously, where's the knife?
ये यहाँ पे एक वो रहा सीरियस वो नाइफ सीरियस था एक. What are you doing?
I don't think you understand that my name is Messy Mama. Okay? Sassy Sasu will tell you it's for a damn well reason I've named myself Messy Mama because I am the queen of messy. Now, what did you say? How many? What's the?
3 slices equal size. Oh, okay. Cut 4 क्योंकि पहला वाला तो बाहर का निकलेगा. Which side are you cutting? How are you cutting? Roundels?
Yes.
Brilliant. वो 3 काट दिए?
Yes.
अब वो पहला वाला जो पीस काटा था स्लाइस उसको हटा दीजिए.
Okay, got it.
बाकी 3 को
Yeah.
आपको ब्रुनुआ काटना है. ब्रुनुआ.
Just explain. First of all, you better have a running line down explaining to your followers and my followers what brunwa means.
ब्रुनुआ BRUNOIS is a French word जिसका मतलब होता है बारीक बारीक कटा हुआ.
This is chef just showing off, yeah. This is just pure showing off, but chal.
चिन्ना छोटा छोटा कटा हुआ.
Okay, but you mean like julienne?
Dice.
Small?
हाँ जी.
Small or like what's
बारीक yeah, very fine dice.
But I have to say this is unbelievable. This is the best cutting I've ever done in my life because I'm cutting under pressure. Okay, wait a minute, really?
What? कीमा नहीं करना.
I am going full speed, okay? No one's going to look at the beauty. They're going to look at my face and say, wow, it's so good. This is what I call good stuff. It's called, you know, my account is all about being unique.
Show me.
Every person is unique and different. So like this, every piece is unique and different because it's individualistic. You understand the concept. It is called imperfectly perfect cutting.
What are these?
This is a bhaji.
Look at this. ये तो उंगली में भी नहीं आ रहा. ये look at this.
Listen, you're just wasting time because you want me to lose, okay?
No, nobody will lose. Okay, dragon fruit.
Okay.
I need big dices. How to cut dragon fruit? Top and tail कर दो उसका. Now बीच में slit मारना skin पे, flesh पे, अंदर नहीं पहुंचना चाहिए, ऊपर. Just a slit. Done. Now peel away the outer peel, thick peel होगी और अंदर white fruit निकलेगा.
Just see how well I'm doing it, okay?
I can't.
I mean, this is incredible. Look at
Are you
this.
talking to audience or me?
I only talk to the audience. Okay, now what do I do with this?
Cut dices.
Dices, okay, chal.
Check your chocolate.
Can I? Yeah, no, it's done. I'm multitasking. So now.
It's not done. You need to show me. Like, is it overcooked?
No, it's perfect. It's perfectly cooked.
Turn off the gas.
It's off already. There, done. Chal. Over. Next. See this. It's awesome.
I can't see like it.
It's too good. It's perfect. Just trust me.
No, I don't trust you.
Trust me.
I don't trust you.
Just trust me. What's next?
What else do you see on the
Chocolate and then there is dragon fruit. Abhi apple.
नहीं, एप्पल अभी नहीं काटेंगे, काला पड़ जाएगा. वहाँ पे वैलेंसिया ऑरेंजेस होंगे.
You know, there's a very fancy boy here, huh? Valencia oranges. So cool.
Akakinu.
Yeah. Okay. Now I cut it. How?
No.
Then.
You have to take a micropane and zest out the orange and put it in chocolate.
A micro what?
Micropane. There has to be not the big chokor wala. No,
this
is chimta. Yes, this is micropane. Bravo.
In our kitchen, they call gisne wala saman. Now I grate this into the chocolate.
Yeah, just the orange part.
Just the zest.
White part आ जाएगा वो कड़वा कर देगा.
हाँ, that much I know.
Also इसी chocolate के अंदर एक छोटा dollop butter का.
This is called slavery, okay? And it's called dhoka. You said Sameera, come to Delhi. I'll cook you some good food. This is what you're making me do. चल, बस हो गया.
वहाँ पे cinnamon पड़ा, दालचीनी.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा दालचीनी भी उसी micropane से घिस के chocolate के अंदर. तो cinnamon.
Why micropane?
Because उसी से बारीक निकलेगा. हमें वो chunks नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, but it's wet, so it'll get stuck.
No. Wafers.
But डालो?
डालिए जी. मुहूर्त थोड़ी ना निकालना.
Oh, I sound like I'm one of those guys who are making music on the road. Okay, चल हो गया. अभी now?
अब टाइम आ गया चॉकलेट प्लैटर बनाने का, लेकिन उससे पहले मास्करपोने चीज होगा वहाँ पे. सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
No, because I'm like, this looks like butter. It's butter.
Okay.
No, it's mascarpone.
Okay, इसका क्या करना है? आपने कभी वो बनाया कोन, पेस्ट्री कोन?
There's always a first time. So it's okay, I can do this. But we can't waste time, so we have to hurry this up.
Pick up the pastry cone.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे ना एक टेबल पे, thank you for the lovely music. वहाँ पे टेबल पे एक वो पड़े होंगे, nozzles पड़े होंगे. Pick up a fat nozzle. Pick up which will give you a nice.
Yeah. अभी यहाँ डाला.
उसके अंदर डाला.
हाँ.
Now take a scissor and snip the lower of the bag.
Yeah, done.
Okay.
Then
अब इसको एक कोई ग्लास या कोई मग दिख रहा है? यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ कहीं कोई ग्लास मग होगा, उसके ऊपर रखना है और उसको फोल्ड करना है बाहर की तरफ ताकि उसके अंदर mascarpone जाए.
Okay, well, we need to hurry up the time, हाँ? मतलब you're taking too long, chef.
I know, but I'm enjoying myself. ये मेरी अभी तक जिंदगी की सबसे अच्छी शूट है और मैं गर्व से कह सकता हूँ मैंने मेहनत करके कमाया है. Alright, भर लिया? तो मेरा so much of noise in here. So now cut to plating. Plating के लिए get the chopping board.
Okay.
हाँ, अब chopping board जो है ना उसके मिडल के अंदर, मतलब चॉपिंग बोर्ड की जितनी भी जो चौड़ाई है उससे 2 इंच अंदर ये पूरा हमें स्प्रेड करना है यूजिंग अ पैलेट नाइफ. मैं बताऊं कैसे?
No, I can do it, यार. I'm a chef.
नहीं, मुझे बताओ कहाँ पे है?
यो.
ये, हाँ, ये 2 इंच, 2 इंच, 2 इंच, ये पट्टी छोड़नी है सेंटर में, यहाँ बिल्कुल नीटली चॉकलेट आपको स्प्रेड करनी है.
So can I put it?
चॉकलेट की चाट. हाँ, you have a palette knife with you?
Yeah.
You do.
This one, right?
हाँ, of course. हाँ, यही है, बिल्कुल.
Okay, got it.
दिख रहा है.
Okay, can I put?
Yeah, go ahead. Is it chocolate gooey है? Nice and thick?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Best is कि एक चम्मच लेके सेंटर में आप डालिए. सेंटर ऑफ चम्मच. और ऐसे डाल दो. Now spread it.
किया.
कितना कर लिया?
I've done lots.
मैडम है?
Just trust me, it's perfect. अभी और इसके साइड can I put all my beautifully cut persimmon and everything?
हाँ, थोड़ा persimmon. But before you do that,
हाँ.
put blobs of mascarpone. Small, tiny, which large, at random.
Listen, I'm telling you, you are going to be shocked of your wits as to how stunning this is. I mean, this should be kept in the Museum of Artistic Food. That's how good this is.
Persimmons you have, right?
I have now.
Yeah, just sparingly. एक ना वो होता है कि less is more presentation में. तो
अच्छा presentation. Okay.
हो गया? हमारे पास है dices of dragon fruit.
Okay.
Dragon fruit उठाओ जी.
Okay, we've done this. I'm putting gummies also now. Hello,
Yeah,
gummies, blueberries.
Blueberries. Go ahead.
Listen, I'm just having an artistic moment right now. I have to say this is really pretty, it's really easy, and if someone as messy as me can do this, anybody can do this, that I guarantee.
बच्चों का खेल है एक दिन.
Yeah, बच्चों का खेल है. Should I put flowers also?
Sparingly.
मतलब not the whole bowl?
नहीं, गुलदस्ता नहीं बनाना.
Okay.
एक दो ऐसे पंखुड़ियाँ, वो pink and yellow and white and red.
This is the full romance. This is just beautiful. It is one of the best things I've ever made. And you know why I like it? Because it's messy, and that's what I am. Can I present it to you? Please come. No. It's done. I won before time. Come.
अच्छा, मेरे को ले चलो भाई वहाँ तक. नदी पार करा दो.
Yeah.
आगे. रख लो.
No, let me present you ना. You purposely are sabotaging my plate.
अंदर purposely कुछ नहीं करता.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, just clean it. Yeah, there we go.
Wow.
Okay, but you messed this up. That was not me. So just make sure
Actually,
that
this is the one. This is looking absolutely okay. Rest looks like a mess. ये बहुत अच्छा किसने किया?
this is me, all me.
This. अच्छा.
Just give me. Guys, this is awesome. And it's really nice.
What is this dead dhania tree? पूरा garden.
It looks like a tree. It's to inspire you for nature.
This is nature gone, dead. You know, one thing I have to give it to you. You really can cook.
Stop it, yeah. Obviously, I can't. What is this?
Serious वाली थी.
Okay, see, I believe in self-love and self-tarif, which is why I'm saying, in my opinion, I think it's amazing. It's not bad. And I always say if I can do it, then anyone can do it.
You want to try?
Yeah, I want to try. Oh, with the biscuit.
Huh?
Let's use this like a salty one.
Yeah, even salty would work. All we have to do is just scrape it and pick it up.
Oh my god. Oh, it's damn good.
Nice, yeah?
It is really good.
I'm having it with mascarpone and my gummy bear.
I'm an unbelievable chef.
It's me.
It's you! I cook! You sat there chilling.
नेत्रहीन chef होने के बावजूद, I mean, without my eyes, I could direct somebody to
But
cook like
I
this.
have to say something. That seriously, this was the easiest and most amazing platter to make. And I'm quite shocked I could do it. So I've had a very, very nice time doing this.
Thank you.
But next time, you cook for me, please. Please, please. Please.
I used to do that. Please.
No, this is awesome, guys. Please try this at home. This is really amazing. And thank you, chef, for having me.
Boom.
Till next time.
Loved it.
क्या बात है क्या बात है Good job. Very good job.